Dear students, welcome to the online classes, subject Biology.
Students, let us see the use of microbes as biocontrol agents. Now, what is this biocontrol? Biocontrol, it refers to the use of biological methods for controlling plant diseases and pests. So you might be aware that in the field of agriculture, farmers they use different kind of insecticides, pesticides to control the diseases and pests. But use of this chemical has many side effects. For example, these chemicals they are toxic and extremely harmful to human beings as well as animals. They are also responsible for polluting our environment like soil, groundwater is also affected, fruits, vegetables, etc. To overcome this, we can use different biocontrol agents. We have to reduce the use of chemicals, insecticides and pesticides. Now, how this is possible? It can be done by the use of different biocontrol agents. Use of biocontrol measures will greatly reduce our dependence on toxic chemical and pesticides. Let us see few examples of different microbes as biocontrol agents. First, ladybird. This ladybird is a familiar beetle with red and black markings on its body, and it is used to get rid of aphids. Second, dragonflies. This dragonflies is used to control mosquitoes. So here we are not using any kind of insecticides or pesticides. Next example, trichoderma. Trichoderma is a free-living fungus and it is used to control several plant pathogens. So in this way, we can reduce our dependence on the use of chemicals, insecticides and pesticides. Students, let us see the next example of microbes as biocontrol agents. First, baculoviruses. Baculoviruses are pathogens that attack insects and other arthropods. The majority of baculoviruses used as biological control agents are in the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Baculoviruses are species-specific, narrow-spectrum insecticidal application. They have no negative impact on plants, mammals, birds, fish, etc. This is very useful in IPM, that is Integrated Pest Management Program. Next example is of Bt, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. This Bt is used to control butterfly caterpillars. How it is controlled? Dried spores, they are mixed with water and then it is sprayed onto plants such as brassicas and fruit trees, where later these are eaten by the insect larvae, and in the gut of the larvae the toxin is released, due to which the larva or larvae get killed. So here we finish the use of microbes as biocontrol agents. Students, let us see the use of microbes as biofertilizers. What is biofertilizers? Biofertilizers are the organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. So, the main sources of biofertilizer are bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria. Let us quickly go through few examples. First, rhizobium. This rhizobium, it forms root nodules in leguminous plant and it helps in fixing atmospheric nitrogen into organic form, that is nitrate, and which is used by the plant as a nutrient. Next example, Azospirillum and Azotobacter. These are free living bacteria. It fixes atmospheric nitrogen, that is nitrogen present in the atmosphere, and thus increasing nitrogen content of the soil. Next example, Mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza fungi symbiotically associated with the root of plants. Many members of the genus Glomus form mycorrhiza. It provides phosphorus to the plant from the soil. It makes the plant resistant to root-borne pathogen and increase tolerance to salinity and drought. Last example, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial habitats, many of which fix atmospheric nitrogen. They help in nitrogen fixation, add organic matter to the soil, and increases soil fertility. Example, Anabina, nostoc, and oscillatoria, etc. So, this is the end of microbes as biofertilizers.